What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel where you subscribe for daily updates on Bitcoin. We are having our weekly close today. It's going to be interesting. Definitely stick around for the whole video. We're going to take a look at areas to watch, what I believe may be happening, and definitely don't forget to check out the free Discord group. There's a link down below in the description, and let's get into it. All right, guys, as always, this is not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. Always do your own due diligence and your own research before investing or trading in any markets. Don't forget, we're doing the free Ledger Nano S giveaway at the end of the video, so stick around for that. And if you want to enter to win next week's giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos, smash that like button, and leave your comments down below. That will get you entered to win next week's giveaway. Looking at the fear and greed index, we are at 72, dropped 1 point from yesterday, still in the greed zone. And as you guys know, this is what I'm expecting in the Dow Jones. I'm expecting another black swan event and crash. If you want to take a look at it in detail, look at yesterday's video. Same with gold. My first target here is 1847, second target 1804. Again, details in yesterday's video. If you guys are interested in trading, which I believe there are some great trading opportunities ahead, definitely check out Prime XBT. I'll leave a tutorial up top. You can trade crypto, forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, all on one exchange. You can do as many trades as you want, up and down. You don't have to have other accounts to do opposite trades. So therefore, it is easy to hedge on Prime XBT. You can use my promo code Savy50. We'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus to use towards your margin up to 1 Bitcoin. Savvy25 will get you 25% off your fees. Let's look at the DXY. As you guys know, we have been getting support on the 55 EMA. I believe that will hold, and I believe our next target there is around 95. And if we look at this whole thing as a falling wedge, the target of that is 102. If that happens, I believe this would be a great place to long Bitcoin if it gets up here. This is my wife's webpage, inkyorimage.com. Definitely check it out. She got a lot of cool crypto stuff on there. There's links down below along with my other affiliate links you should probably check out. There's a lot of cool deals down there. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. And let's look at the monthly. So, as we were talking about yesterday, higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI, still bearish divergence, which is confirmed now. Again, this is the monthly. It could take time. But yes, we have confirmed bearish divergence. Let's look at the weekly. All right, that's the RSI. First, we'll take a look at the bullish and the bearish case. Looking at the super bullish case, looking at this as a symmetrical triangle, the measured move of that is 27 to 28,000. Then if we look at the yellow trend lines here, the falling broadening wedge, the measured move of that is 16,000. Although that is possible, that is not what I believe. I'm going to show you where I think we're headed. If you look at the volume here, the volume is still declining in the weekly while price is rising. That to me is not a good sign. Let's look at the RSI, which we've been talking about forever. So we are above the trend line that we've been talking about. As of right now, a close above this will make me more bullish in the long term, although I do think we would come back down to retest it before continuing up. My opinion, we're going to close below this today. I think we're going to get a FOMO spike up to around the 14.3 range and then down, and I'll show you that in the coming charts, so make sure you stick around. Now I'm going to pull this up and show you what I believe to be happening here. This could get invalidated today if this closes above the trend line, but as of right now, I'm still looking at this as what I believe is happening, and I do believe the buy or good long opportunity is most likely going to come down here first or second quarter of next year if this plays out the way I believe, with a close below. Now a close above, like I said, then I would look for a retest back down here, and we could be in the bull market that everybody so heavily believes that we're in. I do not, as you guys know, with the stuff going on in the world, elections coming up next week, I don't think anything's going to come good of that. No matter which way it goes, people are going to be upset on both sides. There's going to be civil unrest. Just that's how I'm looking at it. You got to think about that when you're looking at the charts. So let's move on and look at the daily. So on the daily, we had talked about this. As of right now, we have bearish divergence here. We can get our one more pump up to retest this trend line around 14.3 if we do it today. If we do it tomorrow, obviously this rises to about 14.350 or so. And then if it was Monday, possibly as high as 14.4, Tuesday, 14.5. Although once we retest this trend line, I think that'll be it. And we will get our blow off top, which possibly could be today. Especially if we get up here, hit this target and come down before the weekly close, it could get very ugly, guys. And if we come back down to test this 10.5 area and that breaks, our measured move from there is about 6,600, depending on how long it takes to get down here. Now, on the bullish side, if we were to break up from here, if we break above this trend line, I believe it'd be bullish to around the 18,200 range. If we break above this, although I don't believe we will, anything could happen. It's Bitcoin. I'm giving you my opinion. You make up your own mind. But as you can see in the daily, like I said, we're getting bearish divergence. And if we zoom into right now, we can get that push up, which will give us more bearish divergence on the daily. A higher high in the price, lower high in the RSI. It's looking awfully toppy here, guys. Let's look at the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, if we look at this as a rising wedge with a measured move, if we did break down off out of this area at some point, obviously keep up with the channel and we'll keep an eye on this, but that would also get us around the 6,600 range. And as of right now, the top, and this is the 4 hour, depending on where and when it hits, it's around the 14.3, somewhere in that range that I'm looking for it to top. If we do get up there and get rejected, then our retracement zones are right here. 11,783 is the 0.236 and 10,266 is the 0.382. If that breaks, 9,030 range is the 0.5. And then we have our golden pocket area around 7,700. The golden pocket area is actually between the 0.618 and 0.65, which is 7,480 and 7,840 area. That would be the golden pocket. I would expect at least a bounce there. If that does not hold, then we could be looking at 6,600. The 0.786 fib is around 6,000. And then remember, we have a CME gap down here that nobody thinks is even possible to hit at 3570. There's still a possibility of that, so be cautious, be aware, and always take everything into consideration, especially if you're trading. But as of right now, that's what I'm looking at, guys. It does look like we could get one more kick up here also in the 4 hour. Get up, get to that 14.3, make some more bearish divergence, and be topped out. Be careful here, guys. Like I said, a break of this could be bullish, although I don't think that's going to happen at all. And so now we're going to get into the giveaway. We'll be picking a random comment from a random video throughout the week. We only did 6 videos. I didn't make one last Sunday. So we are going to generate a number 4. Let's go over to videos 1, 2, 3, 4. Urgent Bitcoin topped out. Let's see. We will copy the link address, pull it over to, paste it in, get YouTube comments, 121 comments, and random comment picker. Also, you can get the Ledger Nano S or $50 of Bitcoin. Get a hold of me. My email's down below. Bobby Adralin. I hope I pronounced that right. You have one. Get a hold of me. I'll confirm it's you. And you can pick either $50 of Bitcoin or your Ledger Nano S, and I'll get it sent out to you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I had to make this video kind of quick. Wanted to get it through, get it over with. Could be a very interesting day, very interesting weekly close. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the CryptoSavvy logo above my head. Tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos. Smash that like button and leave your comments. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.